Hey, what's up, guys? Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, standing here with a potential customer. Rick, say what's up.
What's up, bud?
So, Rick, after taking a look at this roof, we have assessed that there's a good chance that the only solution that's going to resolve this roofing issue is to come in and to put ISO boards or insulation boards, screw them down, and then put a new membrane over the top of this roof.
Correct.
So one of the nice benefits is the property will get a little bit more insulation value, but the big deal is you guys want this not to leak no more, and we understand that.
Exactly.
So real quick, I don't see really much of a way other than to put like a 2x4 nailer block right here and then nail a new drip edge. So the new drip edge is going to cover this old drip edge right there, right? Does that make sense? So we'll put a 2x4, and then starting after the 2x4, we'll start 1.5 inch insulation boards all the way around the roof. We're going to screw those down, right? And then we're going to screw down a membrane over the top of that. And that's going to be for this portion of roofing here. And obviously all the penetrations and all the details are included. We will take our membrane, so we'll remove as much of this as possible, and then we'll take our membrane and screw it into the wall in and around right there. So it'll go up about about a foot or so?
5 foot.
Yeah, so 5 bricks is a foot, I think, if my memory serves me correctly. So we'll bring our membrane up the wall, and then we'll screw it off and T-bar it. And that's how this will be terminated here. The drains, you've got 2 of them, so this is an internally draining roof system. We do suggest that you guys maybe take a look and make sure there's no real issues with this drainage system, because it's possible with the building being 1920s or so that could be a problem. But we're going to keep this drain. We'll loosen up the tar as best as possible, chip away, pull this drain up, and then we'll turn our gear in, and our TPO will terminate in and around, what is that, about 6 inches below the deck of the roof. And after we raise it up another 2 inches, it'll be another 6-8 inches above. So we'll just kind of glue that in as best as possible. And that's how this will live. We've got 2 of them. There's one here, and then there's one right over there. And then all the rest of the gear on this roof, Rick, you're pretty much saying it's going to be left. We're going to leave all the pipes.
Yeah.
Leave all these vents. We're going to leave that, I guess that's a grease something or another trap or something. And then we've got this little portion of roof over here that's on the side that we're going to include as well. Anything you want to add? I think that's it for me. I know I did most of the jibber jabbering.
No, I think that's the best way to handle this situation, because the last night it really stormed and our stock room got flooded. And that's the bottom line.
Okay. Well, certainly like to help with that. We're not going to disclose any information about this property or who owns this, but we want to help you guys with this. And a lot of times just making folks that can take a look at this aware of the issues is a big way to start with that. So appreciate you guys watching very much. My name's Kirby Smith. We do commercial roofs and repair roof leaks. Rick, thank you so much for having us on, having us out.
Coming.
Yes, sir. Guys, take care. Call me if you need me. Bye-bye.